Meaning of flip side.
Flip side.
Flip side.
Flip side.
Flip side. Flip side is an idiomatic expression commonly used to refer to the opposite or contrasting aspect of something. It originates from the flip side of a vinyl record, which was often used to feature a different song or version of a track. In general usage, it implies that there are two sides to something and that the other side may be quite different from what has been presented or observed. By exploring the flip side, one gains a fuller understanding of the subject at hand.